I'm gonna be making chicken pho. This is my recipe. It is plain and simple, but very tasty. And once the chicken is clean, then I'm gonna put the chicken into the boiling hot water. Okay, and I'm just gonna let it blanch. I'm gonna cover it and just let it boil for a little bit. Okay, until it's blanched. I'm gonna throw this out and get a new batch of water. We're going to wash the pot really nice and clean. Then you're gonna put new fresh water. After you take out the chicken from the pot, you want to wash it. These are my ingredients that will go into the soup. This is ginger root. This is garlic. This is chicken flavor broth mix. And I'm gonna use a whole pack of this. Okay. Then a whole purple onion. And spice it. Come in a package. And this is lemongrass and salt. Put all the spices into this little bag. Just put in the lemongrass. Put in some salt. Put in your bag of spice and your purple onion. It would taste better if you could grill the onion, but if you can't, just throw it in like that. It's fine too. Okay. Then your ginger. I smashed the ginger a little bit. Okay. Then your garlic. I also smashed the garlic a little bit too. Okay. Then your cubes, your other spice. 2 scoops of the chicken broth. Here's another scoop. Once the water is hot and boiling, you want to go ahead and add your chicken. And just let that chicken boil for about 20 to 30 minutes until it's fully cooked. This is the type of pho that I like. Take it out from the package and just soak it. And once it is finished soaking, take it out and then drain it. It looks like this. Okay, so after the chicken has been boiling for 20 minutes or 30 minutes, it's cooked. So you take it out and you cut it into small pieces like this. Okay, then you're gonna put pho into your bowl and put the soup in it. Then you're going to garnish your pho with all the ingredients. Put some chicken, some green onion, some fresh cilantro, a little bit more chicken. And if you like shrimp, meatballs, you could add all that in. But for today, we're just gonna eat it plain. Sriracha. And this is hoisin sauce. Okay. Squeeze some of that in there. And this is super hot roasted chili oil. And this stuff is really hot, so you don't want to put too much, but if you can handle it, then put more. And some fried garlic. Spoonful of Skippy Super Chunk peanut butter. If you like more, you could always put more. Then a little bit of fish sauce and a little. This is squid brand fish sauce. Then this is seasoning sauce, okay? Just a little bit. If you don't like it, you don't have to put it. Sprinkle some black pepper on it. Okay, that's it. Enjoy.